first on-camera briefing. I think this is our fourth. It's an honor to be with all of you. I appreciate everything you do around the world. Okay, first of all, Ramadan Kareem. As we look ahead to the end of Ramadan and the Eid holiday, it is important to speak up for the victims of China's massive campaign of repression against Uyghurs and other Muslim ethnic minorities in Xinjiang. The Chinese government aims to force its own citizens to renounce their ethnic identities and their Islamic faith. The human rights abuses in Xinjiang must end, and they must end now. We call on the Chinese government to release all Uyghurs and other Muslim minorities arbitrarily detained throughout Xinjiang so that they may return home to celebrate the Eid holiday with their loved ones.